So I got out my AccuTrack speedometer today, running the Garand trunk locomotive. I programmed everything and pretty happy with the way it turned out. Speed step 1 is down to 3 kilometers an hour, I believe. So I got the sounds worked out. The muffled crackling sound is gone, remedied. I just turned down the volume of the prime mover and that seemed to fix everything. So that's a Loke Sound version 3.5, and behind it is a silent TCS decoder. Most recently, my recent acquisition off eBay is this, a AHM Canadian Club hopper. I've wanted this for a long time, simply because it reminds me of a time when I lived in Windsor, Ontario, and I used to see this sign all the time on my way to school. Just driving in front of Herm Walker and Sons, it would always catch my eye. So here's kind of what it would look like in here in Windsor, Ontario. So there's this Peabody Bridge. It's no longer there. There's the Canadian Club sign. I don't know if that's there anymore or not. There's the Via Rail Station. Here's Riverside Drive. Drive that to school. And you can see the train track. It's just off to the right here. So the train would pull into right around Herm Walker and Sons, and then it would continue underneath the Peabody Bridge and make its way down to the waterfront and the turntable and the roundhouse. Here's kind of another picture of it right here. You can see Detroit, Michigan off in the distance. And here's that Canadian Club silo. I don't know if it's there or not. I haven't been there in 20 plus years, but it used to flash on and off at night. And here's that Peabody Bridge. I always remember going over that thing as a child. You'd always get a sick feeling in your stomach. So there it is there, running. And my memories of Windsor, Ontario and the Via Rail Station. Thanks for watching. Bye.